Hello and welcome to this video about Python for data handling. We are excited to have you here, and in this video you will learn some about Python's data transformers and get an overview of this mini course. Python's data transformers are necessary tools for any data scientist, data analyst, or machine learning engineer, as data transformers are necessary to manipulate, transform, change, analyze, or synthesize information from data. The fundamental Python tools you will learn in this mini course are Python's native loops, such as the while loop and the for loop. You will learn some about Python's logic and Boolean operators and learn to use them with if then else statements to create conditional code branching. Let's talk more in detail about the contents of this mini course. So, now we're going to talk about what data transformers are. And data transformers are pre-designed tools used to assist when creating, changing, or transforming variables or data objects. These data transformers can be used to compute values, to change values and variables. They can assist with object creation, variables, graphics, and to control logic and program execution. These tools are necessary for data science and machine learning because with these tools we can create information from data. And this created information may be used to analyze data, to group data, or to synthesize information from data within data science and data analysis, or to automate machines or create artificial intelligence capabilities within machine learning and artificial intelligence. So, in this part of the video course, you will learn about the fundamental Python loops, such as the while loop and the for loop. A loop is a flow control structure that keeps repeating until a specified condition is fulfilled. Loops are often used with data storage abstractions or created abstract data storage abstractions to, for example, compute values such as means and sums, or for more advanced purposes. Loops are fundamental to data science, data analysis, and machine learning. And in this mini course, you will learn a lot about loops. In this mini course, you will learn some about Python's Boolean and logic operators. And you will learn how to use them with if then else statements, so-called conditional code branching, which is very useful for many data science, data analysis, and machine learning purposes. So alright, in the next video we'll teach you about the while loop, which has some use in data science algorithms and is an absolute necessity for machine learning as a tool for program persistence or AI persistence. And we look forward to see you in the next video.